In this video, I will show you how to delete wallpaper on iPhone. When we are in the iPhone settings in the wallpaper section, there is no way we can find how to delete the wallpaper already installed. So, let's do it. First of all, lock your iPhone and open the lock screen. Then tap on the screen and hold. A collection of wallpapers you customized earlier will appear. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. You can scroll the carousel horizontally and stop on the wallpaper you want to remove. After that, tap and swipe from the bottom edge of the wallpaper upwards. A delete button will appear. Tap on this button. The wallpaper will be deleted. Thank you for watching.